Hi, my name is Debendra. Currently, I was doing Masters in Enterprise System and Business Analytics at IIVIT under Federation University, and my student ID is 303707117. Here, our assigned project was Rockwood production. First of all, I would like to give a brief introduction about our project. This project is a software system developed as an e-commerce application primarily for the mobile applications. The system gives its users to the ability to find the cheapest consumable products nearby and make the system admin negotiate the price of these products with the product vendors. We have done a series of sprints such as sprint 1 and sprint 2 before, and today I'm going to talk about the sprint 3. As Sprint 3 became the last sprint during the Rockwood software project development using the Agile methodology, it is natural that this sprint covered some of the limitations that were faced in the previous two sprints. Sprint 1 focused mainly on authentication of the software applications and listing process of the products in mobile application. The primary limitation of this sprint was that it was not focused customer-based requirements of product order and canceling. Although the sprint performed the task of enabling the system to fetch the product data for the customers, the order purchase and cancel functions were not tested. This limitation was, however, overcome in the third sprint, where the customer order purchase and canceling mechanism were properly tested, and the performance of the system was recorded. Sprint 2 was primarily focused on the design of the system, uh, integrating the e-commerce application with the mobile platform. Furthermore, the sprint also had same problem with the sprint 1, where the customer requirement of order purchase and canceling were not taken into account. In addition to this, another major limitation of this sprint 2 was that the database integration aspect of the software was not tackled properly. Although the design layout of the system was performed on the super admin and customers, and the product integration with the admin profile was done successfully, the addition and deletion of the customer data and product data on the database aspects were left out. Also, the functionalities of the system that integrates the database with the software application were not tested in Sprint 2. This limitation of the Sprint 2 was overcome when the database integration functionalities and query related issues were tested in Sprint 3, and any other problem encountered were recorded and solved through the various iteration of tasks performed in this third sprint. Basically, in sprint 3, me, Debendra Bhatta, myself was assigned as a tester in terms of customer, and my contribution were as follows. I basically create another customer account and perform the usual tasks of placing the order and canceling the order. And if the task is done, then validate the working functionalities of the system. And if the system shows some error, then I have a role to identify the errors and record them. The task of the sprint are repeated in an iterative loop again and again until the system properly works and there does not exist any program coding or other problems. That's all from my side for sprint 3. Thank you.